So 1 cup potato.
Okay.
1 cup of onion. And half cup carrot. And just fry a little bit.
And before putting those in, put a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Those ingredients are going to be fried together, and that's going to be the beginning of the center of curry pan. Curry bread. We're basically making it the same way you would make curry, except everything's cut really small pieces, diced, because it's going to go inside of the fried bread later.
And after that we put the water, cover up with all the veggies. Okay?
So you fried it till the onions began to become translucent.
Okay.
Then you cover with water.
1 teaspoon beef stock, beef bouillon. Half cup frozen green peas. Cook about 10 minutes. Get the veggie get soft.
Okay, the veggies cook. You add in the curry roux, 1 cube, which comes from the Vermont curry package. And then you let it cool down. You cook it until it gets thick. Then you let it cool down. And after it cools down, it looks like this, and that'll be the ingredient.
It's cheaper bread. $1 or $1.50. Most cheaper.
There's no need to use expensive bread. In fact, it seems to work better with the cheaper bread.
Because this one have a lot of air.
A lot of holes, yeah.
Yeah. Cut all the end of it.
Cut the crust off. And once the crust is cut off, you can grind that in a food processor and use it for breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumb. Yeah. So they make a flat.
Use any kind of roller or rolling pin to flatten out the bread.
The flat of the bread. Okay. 1.5 cup flour. And 1 cup water.
This is going to make the glue that you use to hold the bread together.
1.5 cup water.
Just keep adding water until you get the kind of a gravy thickness. Thinner than that, huh? Kind of like the thickness of gravy.
Yeah.
Or glue.
But 2 cup water and 2 cup flour. Okay. That's good. Put the middle in the 1 teaspoon. And that the glue put in the edge. And don't smash the bottom. Don't smash the bottom, just glue on the edge. Do that all the same.
Teaspoon of filling.
Yeah, and do that again.
Glue all the way around the top half.
Make glue or curry come out. You put this one inside the flour, all the way down, and then put the bread crumb.
Dip it in the glue and then roll it in the panko or breadcrumbs. If the glue starts to thicken a little bit, the flour and water, you can add a little bit of water, thin it out again.
And put the chopstick inside. If bubble come out, that's all ready. And you just move this one in. Hot is better because you don't have to cook too long. I'm scared of oil.
Once they're in the oil, you turn them over periodically. And you don't need to cook too long, just until they get nice and golden brown on the outside. About 2 minutes or so. As you can see, they've turned rather golden brown. It actually took about almost 5 minutes.
Okay, done.
Put them in the pan to drain. Looking good.
Okay.
Cut it in half. It'll be hot, be careful.
And here's the curry pan.
And there's what it looks like. And boy, does it taste good. From Kiyoko's Kitchen, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell, you'll be notified when new videos come out. Thank you for watching.